Hello everyone, welcome to my channel TK Designer. In this video, I am going to share with you a comprehensive tutorial on creating outline text effects in Photoshop. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, this text effect is incredibly easy to achieve. Let's get started. First of all, select the background layer. Press Ctrl J from your keyboard to make a copy of the layer. Double click on the layer. Keep the name Subject. Go to the left toolbar and choose from here Quick Selection tool. Click on the Select Subject. Now make it Mask. Now go to the left toolbar and choose from here Text. Click on the image. Write your text here. Click on the check mark. Now press Ctrl T from your keyboard to transform the text. Now hold down Ctrl key and drag it left to right. Now click on the check mark. Okay, now press Ctrl J again to make a copy of the layer. Now drag it under the subject layer. Click on the top layer. Now click on the fill and drag it 100 to 0. Now click on the layer style and just from here stroke. Keep the size 6 pixels and make sure the position is inside. Now click on the OK. Now we have to select two text layers by holding Ctrl key and then click on the linking icon, and this is the final result. There you go. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you find this video helpful, and feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.